These 10 natural remedies will blow your mind. So let's dive in at number 1. Baking soda. Baking soda is not just a humble pantry staple. It's a supercharged, natural remedy that boasts some truly exciting qualities. With its pH-regulating power, it can bring balance to your body and provide relief from digestive woes like acid reflux and heartburn. Imagine harnessing the alkaline magic that freshens your breath and fights harmful bacteria in your mouth. But that's not all. This multitasking powder can also work wonders for your skin, gently exfoliating and cleansing for a radiant complexion. And when it comes to eliminating stubborn odors and keeping your home fresh, baking soda takes center stage with its antifungal and antibacterial prowess. Have you used baking soda? If so, let us know in the comments. 2. Epsom Salt. These magical crystals packed with magnesium and sulfate soothe muscles, detoxify the body, reveal radiant skin, and boost hair volume. Epsom salts are mostly known for their detoxifying properties. By drawing out toxins, impurities, and excess fluids from your body, they help cleanse and purify your system. This detoxifying effect can leave you feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to take on the world. When it comes to skincare, Epsom salts can work wonders. They act as a natural exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores, revealing a smoother and more radiant complexion. Say goodbye to dull, lackluster skin and hello to a healthy and glowing appearance. 3. Clay. This natural substance can be used to treat a variety of skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It is thought to work by absorbing excess oil and toxins from the skin. Clay is a true miracle worker when it comes to skincare. Its unique composition, packed with minerals and nutrients, draws out impurities, toxins, and excess oils from your skin like a magnet. Say goodbye to stubborn blemishes, clogged pores, and dull complexion. But the benefits of clay don't stop there. It's a superhero when it comes to soothing and healing various skin conditions. From acne to eczema, clay's natural properties work tirelessly to calm inflammation, reduce redness, and promote rapid healing. Clay is not only a skincare savior, but it's also a powerful detoxifier for your entire body. When used as a mask or in a bath, it absorbs toxins, heavy metals, and impurities from your body, leaving you feeling revitalized and rejuvenated from the inside out. If you're seeking to enhance your hair's health and beauty, clay has got your back. It acts as a natural cleanser, gently removing dirt buildup and excess oils from your scalp as well. 4. Olive oil. This healthy oil can be used to treat a variety of conditions. Olive oil is a skincare superhero. Packed with antioxidants and healthy fats, it nourishes and hydrates your skin, leaving it soft, supple, and radiant. But that's not all. Olive oil works wonders for your hair, too. Its moisturizing properties penetrate deep into your strands, repairing damage and restoring shine and vitality. When it comes to your overall health, olive oil doesn't disappoint. It's packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that can improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Olive oil's benefits extend beyond the surface. It possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe and calm various skin conditions, from acne to eczema. 5. Coconut oil. This versatile oil can be used to cook, moisturize, and treat a variety of conditions, including acne, eczema, and dandruff. Coconut oil is a superfood that can help you look and feel your best. It's a healthy fat that is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can moisturize your skin, protect your hair, fight off harmful bacteria, lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, protect your heart, sharpen your mind. Here are some tips for using coconut oil. For skin, apply coconut oil directly to your skin after showering or bathing. For hair, apply coconut oil to your hair before washing it. Let it sit for 30 minutes or more before washing it out. Internally, you can consume coconut oil by adding it to your coffee, tea, or smoothies. You can also take it as a supplement. It's important to note that coconut oil is high in saturated fat, so it should be consumed in moderation. It's also important to choose a high-quality coconut oil that is unrefined and organic. 6. Bee pollen. Bee pollen is a natural powerhouse that can revolutionize your well-being. First and foremost, bee pollen is a remarkable energy booster. Its rich nutrient profile, including bee vitamins and amino acids, fuels your body, providing a sustainable source of energy throughout the day. Say goodbye to sluggishness and hello to vitality. But that's not all. Bee pollen also works wonders for your immune system. Packed with immune-boosting compounds, it strengthens your body's defenses, helping to ward off illnesses and keep you healthy. Embrace the power of bee pollen and enjoy a resilient, robust immune system. In addition to its energy and immune-boosting properties, bee pollen is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Its antioxidants combat free radicals, reducing inflammation in the body and promoting overall well-being. Experience the soothing effects of bee pollen as it supports a healthy inflammatory response. This superfood is also a treasure trove of essential nutrients. It contains a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that support optimal health and nourish your body from within. 7. Royal Jelly. Prepare to be amazed by the wonders of royal jelly, nature's secret potion. Produced by honeybees specifically for the queen bee, this extraordinary substance holds remarkable health benefits that will leave you in awe. One of the most intriguing aspects of royal jelly is its potential to enhance fertility. Packed with essential nutrients and reproductive hormones, it may support reproductive health and increase the chances of conception. But that's not all. Royal jelly is a true champion when it comes to boosting the immune system. Its rich content of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants fortifies your body's defenses, helping you to fend off illnesses and keeping you in optimal health. The aging process may slow down thanks to the remarkable properties of royal jelly. Its unique combination of amino acids, proteins, and fatty acids provides nourishment to the skin and may promote a youthful complexion. 8. Propolis. This remarkable sticky substance, created by honeybees to seal up cracks in their hive, possesses incredible properties that can transform your well-being. One of the most fascinating aspects of propolis is its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Packed with bioactive compounds, it can help soothe inflammation in the body, reducing discomfort and promoting overall wellness. Say goodbye to inflammation-related woes and hello to a more balanced and harmonious state. But that's not all. Propolis is a true champion in the fight against harmful bacteria and viruses. Its natural antibacterial and antiviral properties help support your body's defenses, combating pathogens and promoting a healthy immune system. Embrace the protective shield of propolis and experience a robust defense against common invaders. 9. Produced by bees that pollinate the magnificent Manuka bush, this golden elixir possesses unparalleled potency and a host of incredible properties that can revolutionize your well-being. One of the most remarkable aspects of Manuka honey is its powerful antibacterial properties. Packed with unique compounds, it can combat harmful bacteria and aid in the healing of wounds and infections. Say goodbye to pesky microbes and hello to a natural and effective defense against bacterial invaders. But that's not all. Manuka honey also boasts impressive antiviral properties, making it a valuable ally in fighting off viruses. Whether it's a common cold or a more serious viral infection, Manuka honey may offer potential support to your immune system, helping you recover and stay healthy. In addition to its antibacterial and antiviral powers, Manuka honey exhibits remarkable antifungal properties. It can help combat fungal overgrowth, such as candida, and promote a healthy balance in your body. 10. Shiitake Mushrooms. These mushrooms have been shown to have a variety of health benefits, including lowering cholesterol, boosting the immune system, and fighting cancer. One of the notable benefits of shiitake mushrooms is their ability to lower cholesterol levels. Studies have suggested that certain compounds found in shiitake mushrooms may help reduce bad LDL cholesterol while promoting the levels of good HDL cholesterol, thus supporting heart health. Additionally, shiitake mushrooms possess immune-boosting properties. They contain bioactive compounds such as beta-glucans, which have been shown to stimulate the immune system, enhancing its ability to defend against infections and illnesses. Embrace the power of shiitake mushrooms and give your immune system the support it deserves.